What is up mga papi? Naghahanap din ba kayo ng high quality cycling jersey na hindi kasing OA ang presyo tulad ng Rafa, Pas Normal at MAAP? Kung yes ang sagot nyo, then tara sabay-sabay natin i-check itong Santic Azuni cycling jersey na nabili ko sa Lazada Mall. Alamin natin kung itong jersey na to ang sagot sa kuripot pero maselan nating taste. Let's do this!
Throw your hands up if you with it, drop it.
Okay, so bago natin busisiin tong Santic Azuni cycling jersey, i-share ko muna sa inyo kung saan natin nabili to. So I got this from Lazada Mall for only 1,392.50 after the discount voucher. Ang talagang price is 1,598 pero naka-discount tayo dahil may available na shop voucher. So ito na nga yung jersey natin. As per the label, ang material nito ay 90% polyester and then 10% spandex. Meron din tong 3 rear open pockets with waterproof features na ipapakita ko sa inyo later. So tanggalin na natin yung zipper. Ayan lang naman yan. Wala naman special dyan. Ayan yung branding. So hinahanap ko rito kung anong klaseng jersey to pero hindi ko siya na kita dun sa unang tatlong label, and then dun sa last branding niya, dun ko nakita na ang model nitong jersey na to is Azuni. So ayan, dyan ko nakita na Azuni yung style ng jersey na nabili natin. And nalaman ko rin na itong Santic pala is may technology dun sa jersey nila. Kahit titingnan mo na ganyan, kala mo simple lang, meron niyang tech. So yung jersey, meron siyang Santic UV shield. So sabi niya, highest level of sunscreen protection up to UPF 50+. Nagbibigay ng sunscreen protection itong material ng jersey. So this jersey is also Pro-Fit. So Pro-Fit basically means as aero as possible if you want to feel better about your skin tightness. So ayan, ang kinuha kong size is XXL. And yung zipper niya may black. Yan, yung itim na yan. Diba? Tapos meron rin siyang reflective strips for added safety when cycling in low light condition. And meron din siyang mesh side panels for added breathability. So yan, ang Santic. Ang ganda, diba? For only 1,300 pesos meron ka lahat niyan. Ganda rin ang tahi niya. Alam mong maglalast talaga tong jersey na to kasi ang ganda ng quality. Sabi din dun sa label, meron tong Santic R-Fill technology. So this technology uses special compound coupled with organic silicone. The softness of the fabric was enhanced with anti-peeling coating which minimizes friction under dry and wet condition. So astig, diba? Tapos ayan, meron rin siyang label where you can put in your blood type and phone number just in case of emergency. Wag naman sana. Tapos meron din siyang silicone hem gripper para hindi umaangat yung jersey natin pagka gumagalaw tayo, diba? So yan, quality. Ang ganda. Grabe, for something na 1,300 lang. Tapos kita mo naman kung gaano ka fluid yung zipper niyan, diba? Walang aling, ika nga, di ba? Tapos, sabi rin sa label nito, ang fabric raw nitong jersey na to has good resistance against washing and is resistance against decoloration. The fabric is soft and has high elasticity, which is best suited for cycling and compression wear. Oh, high-tech talaga, di ba? But wait, there's more. Sabi ni Santic, this fabric was fabricated by blending nylon yarn with high viscosity elastic compound together with special weaving techniques. The fabric has high elastic strength, tear resistance, and dry fit feature which is suitable for all weather conditions. Diba? So, at this point, ayan, pinapakita na natin yung tatlong rear pockets niya na nilalagyan natin ng mga anik-anik pag nagra-ride tayo. Diba? Spare tube, yung portable na pambomba natin, and the other things. So ito na yung Santic. Sorry, medyo malaki yung beer belly ko. Taba ko na. Pero ito yung fit. I am 5'6", 176 pounds. So ayan, XXL yan yung fitting. So tanggalin nyo lang yung chan ko, pero napakaganda ng ng jersey na to. Minus my chan. So instead of buying a PNS na 15,000 or yung mga Rafa jersey. Of course, kung may pera ka, okay lang. Pero kung wala ka naman pera, I think this Santic jersey is a good alternative for us na naghahanap ng mga hindi namang ganun kamamahal na jersey na pang Sunday ride lang natin. Diba? So, yun. So, let me know. Comment down below kung nagustuhan nyo tong Santic jersey na to and kung bibili kayo. And if you have other questions and feedback and comments, lagay na lang rin sa baba as a comment. That's our Budol video for today. Thanks for watching. Be safe everyone. Pa-subscribe na lang mga papi. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Be safe. Thanks. Till the next Budol.